Alrighty guys, let me know down in the comments if the audio is okay for you. How is everyone doing? Alright. Anyway, so let's continue working. Am I still live streaming? I believe so, right? Yeah, I think I'm still live streaming. Oh, anyway. This is what we have. Why is this? So this is where we left. Now let's jump here and let's start working on this habit log to have a different format. Or is this necessary? Maybe. Okay, let's do it anyway. Schema. So the date. Actually, let's add new date. String date. Shall I? New date. Should I do it a new date? By the way, before moving down at the bottom left, there is a QR code for. There is a new State of React Native survey happening now, so you can scan this QR code and go complete the form. I believe it's quite a nice survey, and I think worth giving like 10 minutes of your time to go through it. It's going to also help this community quite a lot. So yeah, scan the QR code and do the survey. I'll also link it into the description of this video. But yeah, it's you can go ahead on survey.stateofreactnative.com. So yeah, is this survey.stateofreactnative.com. Yeah, just go ahead and complete it. I think it's going to help the community. So now let's do the date. So instead of an integer, I'll do a string text. And but wait a second, because we need to think about it. We need to think about it for a second, right? Because I like to make this unique, right? So how am I doing the habit logs? I'm doing like this. It is complaining. Okay. What else do we have on the list? Because create a calendar component, restyle the navigation, add a habit. Let's add the habit icon. Because we need to think more about the date itself. Because I like to make it unique, right? So the date is going to be unique. Instead of querying based on the ID, I will query based on the date. Yeah, let's add an icon for now. So icon, the text, and can be null. I think so, right? Can I have an enum here? What properties can I do? Enum icons default. Can I do default? Okay. I have an example somewhere. Let me sign in a bit. Cascade is not working for me, unfortunately, Vladimir. So I did it. I've tried it, but it seems that Cascade is not working. So most probably I may need to delete everything. So I also have somewhere, give me a second, where I have the icons. Is this one, where I have the icons. Yeah, so I'll do okay. This in specs. So this one is going to be, I need to type it. It's a string. It's just a string. It's default to nothing. Okay. But this should actually live inside the habit. So bun run generate. Great. So now I should have this one. Should have an icon. Okay. And when we add a new habit, I should have here a list of icons. But this should be a separate route. Okay, so let me close the thing here. Let me open up the window for a bit. Yeah, it might be a bug on the Drizzle side. Okay, so let's add an icon. First, I would like to go to the habit. And here I would like to display a lucid icon. So I will grab the code from this side, animated icon. I'll do, yeah. So I'll create here a new component. Lucid icon. I'll just not going to be an animated icon, so it's lucid icon. I'll just specify the props here. So it's what props do I have here? Lucid. The Lucid icon. Okay. It's actually, this is a habit icon. And this is a Lucid prop, Lucid icon. Lucid props. And the name, I like to specify now by the name. The Lucid props, okay, this one, and if I do it like this, it's going to complain because there is no name, right? I'll do, and name is Lucid icon name. I need to I'll do type habit icon props is this one, and type Lucid, it's key of type of icons and import icons. This one is this one. It's Lucid props. And okay, I believe this should be fine. Oops, and this should be a habit icon. Okay. And now I can do here a habit icon. Export function habit icon. Habit icon. I will say the name is going to be habit dot. Did this actually receive the habit? No, it's okay. Habit. Or Lucid cup, not cup, trophy. Trophy. I love to have this the schema. How can I pass a separate type, you know? Can I add here? Can I add as key of type of icons? Can I do it Drizzle custom type? Custom text, okay, and how can I use it? Aha, got you. Okay, so I'll create here a custom icon text, and this is a custom type, data string, and return text. What else do I have here? Data type. This one. Um, use this. Default to. Okay, let me save. Is this actually the best way to see how custom type definition works? There are no data types for. Okay. Bum bum ba bum bum bum. I cannot edit. Anyway, so I think I am going to do it differently. There are no custom types, unfortunately. Okay. What can I do here? I add a default function. Trophy as this one. It's going to inherit. No. Where is the drizzle? Drizzle. Can I do here as of your star or whatever? Okay, like this. Mode text. This is weird. I'll do it as I don't like this one. This one. What else? Coffee. So drink coffee should have coffee. This one should have a coffee. Okay, so we have it here. Okay. You know what I'll do? I'll actually send the habit as habit. I'll do habit as habit, and the name is going to be this part. Why is this like this? And the habit is going to be type of habits in first select. Okay. Okay, and now if I go here, this should be enough, right? So we have extracted the logic instead of, yeah, okay. And this habit icon, can we customize it? Size, of course, color, red. Okay, so color, maybe habit color. Okay, I think this looks better. Now let's, can I get the list of lucid icons? Yeah, I think, where is the icons? Boom, 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 okay. Okay, never mind. So I can create here a new component, and I'll say it habit icon list, and I'll do export habit icons list. Actually, I need a view, and here I'll iterate over the icons, map icon, get the icon, and the index, and return here icons, icon. I'll do its icon by the icon. I'll do icon, and I'll say why icons is not defined. What? Ba-da-da-da-da-da. What's happening here? Yeah, I think the package it's in shared maybe. Just trying to get, you know, the... We have a list. How is the Lucid website doing? Showcase. Showcase list, okay. In WordPress themes, showcase list. Icons. Data. I will search it to get all Lucid icons as list. Got you. So I need a Lucid static. Okay, so let's go to the GitHub repository. Packages. Static. There is a static, yes. Where is the aliases? Aliases. You know what? Let's install this one. Okay. Bound add Lucid static, and I'll do import something from Lucid static. What can I import? Icons. Icon nodes. Nice. Okay, icons. How is this actually looking like? Got you. Object keys. But icon nodes, JSON? What? Icon nodes. Anyway. As Lucid icon names. Now I believe I can also type it, right? So if I do something like this inside the schema, I don't need this part. I can do it myself. So I'll say type of key of icons. Icon nodes icons. Missing a semicolon. Okay. Key of type of, sorry. And icon. Okay, so can I say here it's enum can I use an enum drizzle SQLite enum. Interesting. So if I say here A, B, and C, do I get here an autocomplete? Yes. What? Interesting. Okay, never mind. Okay. So I'll say here, here I can iterate over the icons and nodes. Okay, and I'll say icons. I'll do icon and then, and it's not defined, right? Icon list, icons. I'll say size. It's, let's say 12. Doesn't actually matter, you know, just render it. Okay. I'll render it. So habit list, this is a list. I'll do flat list instead. Should I do it flat list? Yes. Data, it's icons list. Key extractor is going to be item and index. Only item. And render item is this one. Okay. and I will give it a number of columns. I'll say maybe 6. And habit list icon, I can create a new I can create a new route. I'll say icons. Okay. I'll export default function icons. I'll return a view, and inside the view I'll render the list of habits, and I'll give it a style flex1 import view, save, and go to layout, and I'll do the same for the icons, and I'll say icons as a title and presentation. Let's leave it as a form sheet, why not? Oops, flat list from React Native. Okay. And inside the add habit, I can, where we have the times, select a color, select a color. Okay, let's add here how to do it. I'll actually move the icons to some utils, miscellaneous, and I'll create here a new file called icons. Okay, and I'm also going to actually go to the habit icon and export the type here as well. And I'll export the list of things. Okay. And here, do I need to add I don't even need the thingy. Okay, and here I am going to remove the things. So icon list is coming from the list itself. So now we have cleaned up the things. Icons? Why do we need icons? Okay. I think we are okay. And now what we can do is where we add the habit, we can say give an icon to the habit. And I'll create here like a view. Yeah, I'll also create a habit icon, but I'll also create a seed icon. Or do I need to do anything? Nah, I'll not create this one. Yeah, here I'll do icons list. I'll do slice 0, maybe 5, map, icon, and then I'll return const icon. Icons by the icon, this repetition, you know, and icon. Name, not name size, maybe 24. And this actually is going to be a pressable. And we are going to do something with the onPress. Do something. And the style of flex direction of row, a gap of spacing. Is this where is this happening? Is this happening? Okay, a key icon. Console log icon. Return null. Yes, so the problem is that the icons okay, the icons are not what we actually need. What else do we have here? Icon nodes 2. Can we do something with yeah, so this is definitely working for, but I need the kebab case, you know, icons. So I need there was a kebab helper. Not the hash one. Where I saw it? React Native. Source. Create a lucid icon. Nope. Default attributes. Native SVG uppercase. Kebab. Kebab case, okay. Kebab case. Pascal case. Do I have access to this one? Import from lucid. What's this to camel case? Let's do it like this. I'll actually copy paste everything and I'll do utils just for now, you know, lucid utils.ts camel to Pascal. Okay, I'll copy this one as well and I'll mention here these packages shared source. Copied from, okay, and icons list is going to be actually as a habit. I have here a console log, yes, and I would like to do two Pascal keys. To Pascal keys icon. Gotcha. So this is what we actually need. So icons going to be map icon Pascal keys icon. And do I actually need now? Yeah, I think yes. So now this should not throw an error anymore. So everything should be fine. Okay, so we have the icons now. Wow. So much work for nothing. It's like what? What's happening? Got you. Okay. Anyway, so I'll do here key, not key the style. I'll do width is going to be, let's say, button height, button height. I'll do border radius of border radius, you know, and I'll do justify the center, align items to the center, and I'll do a background color DDD. It's okay. Yes, and the gap, I believe the gap should be spacing multiplied by 2. Do I need to make this smaller? Not really. Let's add here another export const icon. button icon size going to be, let's say 32, and change it afterwards. So this one is this one, and this one is this one, and import this. Why I cannot use this? Uh, okay, let me move this into. Nah, this is so bad. It's like, why is this not working? It's like size 12. I like to make it 32, you know? This is button size divided by 2. Okay, so now this is working. Amazing. Okay, so add a new habit. We have those icons. Okay, and when you press on it, I'm gonna go to the state habit, and I'll say icon as lucid icon names. Lucid icon. Okay. Okay, and now when you press on it, I would like to do it a new habit icon, set the icon. That'll give this border width of 1, and I'll say border color is going to be, I need to, yes, I'll do it. Border color is going to be new habit icon pick is this one. It's green. Press on it. Get. Okay. Not green. Maybe I'll do this background color. It's RGBA. Yeah, something like this. And the border is going to be RGBA 255 to 55 0.5. Otherwise it's transparent. I don't know why this is happening with border width. It's wrong. Okay, and I believe the color here should be white. I'll say if this is selected. Now this icon, it's equal to new habit icon get. Is selected. It's equal to the icon. So if selected, here I'll do is selected. It's FFF. Otherwise, it's RGBA. Actually, you know what? It's color. It's always white. Then can I specify here opacity? Yes. So if it's selected, it's 1. Otherwise, it's 0.6 maybe. No. Yeah, kind of makes sense. I think I really like this one. But now I also wanna add another pressable. I'll copy this style, except it's okay. I'll do a text. More icons. Style, color, white, opacity is going to be 1. Actually, yeah, on press. Maybe a link, directly a link. Link. I need to add actually link from React Expo router. href is going to be icons. And I'll say style, color white, and font size is going to be maybe 12. And now here I should justify to the center. I think, no, it's the other way around, of course. And this one, the link is the link should have a margin left of spacing. Okay. Okay, so we have the list here. There are quite a lot of icons. Can I I may need to select, you know. Brands. How do they know there is a brand icon? There are categories, right? Okay. Okay. I would like to get only the brands. Can I get only the brands? Interesting. Mm-hmm. Icon nodes. Get the data. Directory. Okay, so it seems that we have here some yeah. So the thing is that this is not statically generated. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. What do I have on npm? You know, Lucid. What is the, okay? Let's see. This is exporting everything, right? From where do they know the category, you know? Interesting. Mm-hmm. Okay. I just, you know, I just need categories. That's it. Mm. Yeah, I saw that they are using file system to get, but so this is map category to icon count and get all category files, but the categories, from where do they get the categories, you know? It's like file base, file name. Okay, so categories, it's they're failed to load the last commit. What? This is great. So GitHub is down, or my internet is not working. No, it's okay. My internet is okay. So the thing is that I don't want to display all the icons because this is a pretty big list, you know. I can do that though for now, and then I can think about a solution here. I'll do maybe 12. I still don't like this one. So categories, I have a count, but then there is a schema that's coming from category schema. Category schema JSON. This is the this is the schema itself, and then icon user. Interesting. Let's do the brands. Icon Facebook, title brands. Got you. So for each individual one, they have. Well, Mhm. Well, it's not that easy, you know? It's not an easy task because I don't have access to everything. So this is only inside the repository, you know? So I would love to have access to the, let's see the Lucid static, what it has here. And I'm also exporting the aliases. Okay, so what do I have here? So import a from Lucid static. A dot. So I have all the icons. I have tags, okay. Is this brand? There's only one brand. But this one, it's path, okay. So I believe that I can also do tags here. It's the same thing. I believe now that yeah. So I need to think about how to actually get the icons. Because you know what I'll do? I'll just fake it. I would like to get the this is also in line, you know. So I will do the brands. Do we need the brands? I'll ask Chat GPT, you know. Let me close this one. I'm using Lucid icons for a habit tracker application, and I would like to have a list of 20, 30 different icons that I can assign to a specific habit. Create a list of icon names from Lucid icon that are most suitable for this scenario. Give it back as a JavaScript, a JS array. Yeah, Sin. I think having just the list of icons as an array and a collection of icons by the category would definitely help, because Yeah, it kind of makes sense. So let's see this. Let's see this one. So I'll do this map icon, and I'll do two Pascal cases icon. And this one I should export. This one is dead. Okay. So more icons. Yeah. So there are, you know what? I'll just create. I'll just do like this. And I'll say check circle, circle check, calendar, clock, art, star, activity, book, pen, music, coffee. There is also music 2, music 3, music 4, moon, sun, smile, leaf, the bell, maybe. Meditation. There is a meditation. No. Droplet. Shopping bag. Shopping cart. Code. Paint. Paintbrush. And paint. Brush vertical. Film. Bell. It's okay. Zap. Run. No. Buy. Bike. Camera. I'll add a car here as well. Gift. Umbrella. Clipboard. Lame. Oh, okay. So okay. I think this should be enough. So I don't even need to do any habit. It's okay. I think if I go now to plus more icons. So this is the list of icons, you know. I can add more. And now I can go to the list and do habit icons list. Not this one, but habit tracker. Why this is habit tracker? Let me rename this habit icons. Export this habit icons. It's okay, and here it's habit icons. Then I'll just render the first. Should be fine. You can think about it. And now I would like to copy this entire thing. And most probably then I'll yeah, I'll think about it. I don't even need a key. By mistake, I pressed. So pressable should come from React Native. Button size. I already used this one. Is selected. Is selected should be. You get. I'll do const. This is export const. It's observer. Okay, and is selected. This can definitely be a reusable component, but I'll do it later. I don't even care. Okay, now more icons. And I'll. Why is this crashing? Oh. Okay, and this is style. Do I actually need? No, I don't even need this part here. And so it can be the other way around. And this is 000. Okay, and I'll do content container style. I'll do a gap of spacing multiplied by 2, and here I'll do maybe 6 items. Let me close this, save. Gap. Yeah, something like this, and then I'll justify to the center. What's happening here? I'm pressing too many buttons. How is the audio now? Yeah, it's okay. I hope that you don't hear me as a robot, you know, like weird. Okay, so now I would like to have. What if I'm actually. How many icons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 30 something, 33. Okay, I'm actually going to add everything here. So slice. I'm overcomplicating things, you know. This is and this should be a scroll view, you know, why not? Flex direction row, it's okay. Horizontal content container style. view. I'll remove the link. Should be fine. Yeah, but do I really care about? No, this should be a flat list. Number of columns should be, how many did I say? 32. If I add 8, should be fine. Oh, number of columns. Okay, and then we go here. Actually, I can copy everything out. Nope. Okay, this can be copied, and data is habits icon, key extractor is going to be item item, render item is going to be item. This is by as an icon. I think we should be okay with it. Let's remove one icon. Which one? Maybe music 3. Music 3. Okay. Now we have this one, and go to the add habit column. I'll add the same gap. I think these should be fine. No, and yeah, and this should not have scroll enabled, false. So you cannot scroll it. Yeah, I'm really happy to hear that the audio is doing well. We have a habit here, so let's add one. So there is this issue now. Okay. We have quite a lot of things, right? This is not even properly displayed. Yeah, it's already. Yeah, so what I will do is add habit should be scroll view. Is going to help things out. Yes. What about the scrolling? Okay. Okay, and I'll add here content container style. This is going to have a gap of spacing multiplied by 2. Okay. Should be fine. Maybe by 3. Ooh. Something is really wrong with my new architecture here. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna fix this issue, but for now, at least we have a scrollable thingy. Let me close the Notion a bit because I would like to disable the keyboard. Okay, I'll do actually when we add it, db insert habit, I also need to get the icon. So icon and say icon is icon. Okay, press save. Now I'll do exercise. Do what? Do exercise. Exercise. Why is this happening? What's happening with my laptop today? It's like exercise. Okay, this one. And I'll make this purple and it's going to be 4 times a day. To exercise. Okay, so it's here. That's actually quite good. I also need to take into account the plus, but it's okay. Oof. Still don't like this part, you know? Can flat list num of columns. Horizontal. Okay. I make this horizontal? Yes, of course not. Remember the issue. Okay, so I think it makes sense. I'll fix this. I don't like this part here. But so far, I believe we are in a good shape. Okay, so I will remove the habits list icon. I don't need it anymore. And let's commit the things. Drizzle db. Okay. Add icon to the habit table and install lucid static. And now I believe should be fine. Yes. I actually need this. I'll add it. I'll add. Add icons to the habit UI for adding icons to the habit. Okay. And actually this is crashing icons. ESX. Yeah. Text. Yeah, I will actually remove this. I don't actually need the habits. And layout. Icons. I don't actually need it. Remove icons route. For now, you know. And what I like to do is to the habit. We have a link, we have the icon. Okay. Okay, something like this, and I'll do a view and color. Actually have a color. So I'll do style, padding, I'll do spacing. And this should justify to the center. The other way around, like in life. This is a link. Oh. I don't like to press on the link. Okay, something like this. I'll do it. Pairing, background color, bit color. Yep, and actually I'll have another view here. That's style sheet. Absolute fill object and the background color of habit color and an opacity of maybe 0.4. Okay, even less. I'll do height, aspect ratio, it's 1. Height, I may need to edit to the current day. We have a size here. Yeah, so I'll go to the layout and I'll do this one. Should be, instead of 40, should take the button size. And the habit, I'll do actually height, something like this, width, and I'll justify to the center, align items to the, I'll do a border radius of border radius. And overflow here. Yeah, I think we are starting to get somewhere, right? And this, you should not align. I need to align items to the center. No, not really. Okay, so I think we have some UI here. Maybe for this one. Okay. I still don't like this habit. Yeah, I think it's better now. So the contrast is quite good. Okay, so let's commit this part. Style the icon on the habit component. Now let's open up Notion. It's here. Let me move this here. refresh, it's okay. Center it. Make this bigger actually. Center it. So I have created the icon and we have saved this. And I also need to add habit. Add habit. Model is not properly handling the keyboard. Fix it. I think this looks pretty decent, I'll say. Let me remove actually the chevron. We don't need the chevron anymore. And habit itself is inside the index. Let's add more gap and more spacing. Yeah, I think this looks better. Remove chevron and increase spacing. And we have limited icons for the add habit model. Yeah, for now, yes. But what I was thinking about is like display, let's say, I don't know, 2 rows. And then you have a more button that's going to open up this full screen or the form sheet that's going to display all lucid icons. And you'll be able to filter, because without the filter mechanism and the categories, it's kind of like useless, you know. But for now, I believe it's a good set of icons. If you don't like icons, I think yeah, we have an issue here. You once selected, you cannot undo anything. So I believe that I also need to go to the state. So let me close this state habit. So this initial value, this is actually habit icons. I don't actually need to specify anything here, so as const as let's see the icon names. Do I actually need to do this? Okay. As type of number. I'll do which one I would like to make it. Maybe star, you know. So this is the default one. Okay. So star is the default one. Okay. Kind of makes sense. Okay, so what's happening with my simulator? It's like, yeah. Actually, I'll add a to do here, icons, to do. This should take all the, actually not here, but here. this should have the type as all lucid icons. Okay. Add a default icon and for a habit. It's because maybe of the new architecture and like a combination between Expo Go Reanimated and the new architecture. That's why it's messy. Okay, and I believe I should go now to the this part and add a padding bottom of 120. Yeah, okay, so this is better. It's taking into account this part. I think this is actually bottom use safe area insets. So it's going to be bottom plus 64, I believe. Yeah. I have created the space here so you can see everything. And this, I don't like to show the horizontal, the vertical list. Or do I want? Actually, I would like to show it, but let me increase the spacing a bit. Yeah, I think this is, nah, I don't like. Yeah, okay, something like this. So add bottom spacing to the flat list. Okay. Is this going to crash on Android? Let's see. Definitely the header is not the same. But let's see how this is performing on Android. Yes. Okay. I also need to add like an empty state as well. 1 second. What's happening here? Trying to open something. One sec, guys. Rules like oh, sorry. Alrighty, so let's see. So we have the add, do something. Actually, drink coffee. Let's drink some coffee. Why not? And I have the coffee and make this purple, and you know what, 3 coffees a day. I think this one is working as well. This is also animated. Okay, boom. So this seems to work, guys. So like, this is how it is. I think Android works as expected. Let's add another one. Oh, this one. So add a habit where we have the DB. There is no finally. Nice. Do I need to actually wait? Let's not wait for anything. Run 4 kilometers. I have running. No, I don't have, but I'll add this one. Once a day. Boom. Okay, so now this is working. Okay. This is quite nice, guys. Working as expected. If I refresh. Ooh, got you. I know why this is actually. Okay. Let's see if the persistence is there. Yeah, everything is here. So I can add something else. I don't know what to add. Some other. Oops. What to do? Charge the car. Add this one. And I would like to do it 2 times a day. Yeah, so this is working as expected. And let's see again. Test. Give it this one. Book, save. Okay, this is actually working, right? Yeah, why not? Remove the weight after adding a new habit. This is looking pretty awesome, guys. And Android as well. Where is the Android? This is Android. This is looking quite good. You know? Boom, boom, boom. Let's add another habit for what to add. What to do multiple times a day. Maybe take a break. This is the time. I'll make this Maybe this green or even this green. And I would like to make this 12 times. Add a habit. Yeah, the contrast here is really bad, but ooh, the contrast is really bad. Okay. Okay. I think this is looking quite good. This is definitely working cross-platform. I don't want to test web because we don't have... or is this working web? Let's try it out. Yeah, so DB is not working on web. It's okay. It's okay, guys. What? You need to install a software. Okay. Where is Android? What's happening? There is a new Expo Go. New. Okay, so let me add let me close the Notion, because Notion has this term, you know, like Command Shift K, which is what's the debug keyboard Command Shift K. Okay. What? Yeah, so I need to close Command Shift K. So now what's happening? Command Shift K. Why is this? Okay, so open up Notion again. Should be fine. So I'll add here drink water. All the time, my man. Drink water. Oh, I don't have a water here. Oh, I actually have it. This color, drink it 5 times a day. Okay, and ooh, this is the iOS, man, doesn't love me. Run 4 kilometers. Do I have actually a lucid icon for running? People. There is no running. Okay, it's okay. Car. Where is the car? In transportation. Okay. Transportation. And what we have here? Travel. Not this one. Yeah, it's not here. Alrighty. Do I have a water? Bottle, maybe? I do have a bottle. It's milk. Anyway, so let's do this one, you have it once a day. Boom. Oh no. Is open. Let's go to the fob. Interesting. Maybe he's retarded, but am I actually closing it? Is fob open? I have a backdrop. Is fob. Press set to false. Okay. So this is closing. Yeah, there are so many things happening here on the screen. Anyway, so let me open up the Android. What am I using for keyboard handling? I'm using React Native Reanimated, use animated keyboard. Let's close this. Oh, reopen it. Yeah, guys. So this is looking quite good. Now, and so I believe next we should. Do we actually care about the date format for now? Since this is already working, I think just to move on, to move further. I think forward. I think we don't actually care that much. What we might add is maybe like this is quite nice. Yeah, I really like it. What colors? On Android, the backdrop is not working. So I believe what we can do, I think we have here filters, right? Filter, backdrop. Filter, it's blur 20 pixels. I think we can add this maybe. Background color red. Okay. This is just blurring this one, but we have an experimental. Okay, much better, right? Look. So I think I can select if platform. OS it's equal to Android, then 10, otherwise 30. Just make it, no, not that much. Okay. To be fair with you, I don't even like this. The padding top should be more. Yeah, I think it's okay for now. So let's add another one. What we don't have. Let's add one with 2 rows. Piano, piano exercise, play piano every day. This is going to help you become better with left side. There is some music, and I would like to make this color, why not? And I'll make this 8 times a day. Okay, looking quite good. Git add dash p. Yeah, it's okay. Actually, what we have here, just this split it. Nope. Yes. What? Yeah, I'll edit. Blur on Android. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So I think we have. Where is Notion? There is no Notion. Oh yeah, we have Notion. Move it here. So edit model window. I think we should do it next. We have some rate the app. Long press. Share functionality. Edit habit. Edit habit should be pretty simple, but it's going to take more time to refactor the add habit because I like to reuse everything. I'm moving so slow. It's like anyway. Let's actually take some inspiration. So I have this dribble. Rogelio, amazing work. Yeah, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Haven't done that much though, so. I have some inspiration here. Yeah, the theme. This is actually quite nice, you know. Oh, and reminders. Yeah, I may move. Yeah, we need to think about we need to think about this add model, you know? Even though, come on, it's like this new, the iOS. So even though this looks great, you know, it's like, this looks really nice. It's like, what's happening here? I'll go on Android. Android is better. So even though this looks nice, you know, you don't have that much space. So uh, maybe this should be like I think it's better to have it as a model, as a route, you know, that's coming from the bottom, or as a bottom sheet. It's even better. Yeah, we can think about it once we are going to go through the edit habit thingy, because I would like to add more things, right? Like reminders and things like that, and also like if you'd like to enable notifications, when to enable them, and you see like something like this. Maybe in the future, daily, weekly, monthly, it's something. When to repeat, when to get reminders, and yeah, I think we can definitely. So this is like a full screen model for a new habit. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, we can think about it. Definitely. Yeah, this one it's with the calendar. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What else do we have here? There is also this animation that I did a while ago with the habits. Habit. You see this one. So it's look. You long press on it. Which is looking quite good. But maybe I'll add a view, you know, and add those here. Why not? Like a different tab. Uh, but yeah, I will see. This is some routine. It's looking okay-ish, I will say. This. One second, guys, be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, duty on the toilet. Anyway, for how long am I streaming? 2.5 hours. What to do? Do we need rate the app? Let's actually let's try to do this one with the rating. So it's Expo rate app story view. So let's add this one. I don't know what's happening here. Anyway, so one Expo install. How is this working? I think I have it in another application that's closed source. I think code those. Utils. Nope. Store review. Yeah, so let's actually copy this one. And inside the hooks, I'll do use store review. Yes. Paste everything here. And wait, it's here. I don't have a wait. Utils. Miscellaneous. Wait. Okay. So this is based on a random thingy. But what I will do, when to do it. We should, do I have here somewhere? Show the model or after completing a habit log. Okay. We should display this review, store review. After completing a habit log, or if the user has more than one habit. Okay. But the name is the name. Yeah, I think uStore is not even a hook. Maybe I should place this into helpers. Do we have helpers? Nope. Let's create the helpers. So here, helpers, store review.yes. move everything from here to here and remove this. Okay. Okay, story view. So basically what I would like to do here, saying habits, db select from habits count, select from habits count. I cannot count where. Oh no, I just need to can I get count? How can I get a count? Drizzle is here, count. Okay, so I can do select count. Data, I'll do a wait here, wait db select count from habits, and I'll just run it, and I'll just do console log data for habit, and I'll do habits. Is this run? Do I need to run this? Not habits, but data dot count. I don't even need the count, right? Or maybe okay. And when you press on a button, so when you do this one, press insert, I will just run store review. Async. Do I need to wait? No, I don't care about the wait. It's one. It's true actually. Okay, so there are two. Got you. I actually need to habits. Where is the count? value. Nice. So I can do count. Okay. So I can do count now. So total habits count. Anyway, or am I doing the completed? This is interesting. Am I doing the completed? So I'm updating. Yes, I'm doing it. So I will say here counts habit logs completed, actually completed habit logs. It's await db select count as count from habit logs where equal, remove this one, habit logs that completed is true. Okay. Okay, so this is actually working. Okay, completed. So I'll say if completed logs count, it's less than, let's say 2, or it's less than 1, return, you know. Otherwise, display the story view. So I'll say now we should do I need to await? We are not going to show the story view. What? Console log this one. So wait, maybe I'm which one is what? This one, this one. So completed and habits. Okay. We have 2 completed and 2 habits. Okay, so this is false and this is completed. Wait a second. I was waiting 1 second, right? What? Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Got you. But the thing is that yeah, I don't like to because now it's again book. Okay. Okay, here I'll import from SQLite AV store, and I'll do what is this? Okay, so I'll do storage, set the item as story view. I'll do date now to string. Okay, can I do date now to string? Yes. Okay, date to new, date to actually okay, new, it's a date to local to string. Okay, so if we have asked for it, this action has action available request, then I'll set it, you know, and then I'll say last check. I don't need an await. I will say day.js by this one, new date. Why is this complaining? Yeah, so I'll say store review storage. I'll say last check was if we have this one a string. Why is this complaining? Promise get item sync. Okay. Then I don't need this one. So DJS, this one. Okay, last check. I'll say um, um, mm, okay. So once a day, maybe ask. More than one day since last check, greater than one, greater or equal. Okay. Or this one, or not this one, less, actually less than a day. Okay. If it's less than a day, we don't care. And then we need to store this, set item sync, new date string. Okay. I think we are okay now. So boom, it's asking not now. And now we are not going to display it because we need to wait one day. And that makes sense. Okay. So we can remove the console logs here. Actually, you know what? Less than a day. Okay. So if I say here the check it's in minutes, we can wait a bit and then come back again. Okay. So yeah, we are using the KV, key value store from SQLite, which is synchronous as well. So yeah, a good thing. Kudos to Expo team. So I believe maybe 1 minute has passed. No. Okay, we can check. Yeah, so now we have all the things. We can rate it. You know, it's okay. Now you cannot do it anymore. Do we have a cancel maybe? But it doesn't matter, right? I don't want to spam the user anyway. So say in day. Okay. Add store review. Once a day plus do we need all of them? Yes. We actually need all of them. So we need to have, so if, yeah, if you less than 2 completed logs and the counts, it's okay. I think now it's even better. Not, oh, what? Okay. Okay. Why? So you have, actually, yeah, we need this one. or this one. Yes, okay. So even though we have less than second, let's say, okay. Yeah, actually, you know what? I'm really retarded. I'm really retarded. Yeah, anyway. My brain, boom. Okay, now doesn't matter. Can press on these things, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Only for here. Okay, so it's in a day. My brain, it's add store review based on some statements. Okay, so we did this as well. Ready app. In-app purchases, reminders, and local notifications. Deep linking. Yeah, with local notifications, that should not be that hard, right? So we need a helper for Expo notifications to have a. But we can think about it. What do you think about the features, guys? What would you like to see inside these habits? Like I'll be adding like reminders for each individual habit. Maybe we can have sort of settings, you know, here. Yeah, let's just create the settings screen. So we should have a settings screen, maybe with uh, what to do inside the settings. Inside the settings, we can what we can do inside the settings. Doing in-app purchases. Help section or general section with I don't know, website version, social media. Then we can also have an app section where we have the push notifications, maybe light dark mode. import export habits. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so let's create this layout. I'll create here a new settings. Yes, export default function settings. I'll return a view, and inside the view I'll have a text with settings. React Native, React Native, and style. This one. Okay, layout. I'll have here a stack, screen, name, settings, options. I'll do title settings and then presentation. Do I care about the presentation? Yeah. Form sheet as well. Okay, so I'll have this one, and inside the index, do we have here a screen? No. The layout where we have this one, header right. I'll return I'll return here pressable. Oh, sorry. And then I'll do settings from Lucid, and I'll do size, maybe 24. Color is going to be black. And this can actually be a link, or no, on press. This is going to be router push to settings. Boom. Props, what's the props? This is actually quite good. What? Okay. RGB. Interesting. Anyway. Can go back. False. Okay. Yeah, I think this is better. What's Android looking like? How is this looking like? We also need to reload the Android. Okay. Form sheet works only with presentation set. Can I do heights? Well, heights. Mm-hmm. Uh, 0.5, 0.6. What's happening here? Uh-huh. False. True. Okay. Why Android is failing? Ah. Okay. This must be. Ascending order. Okay. Yeah, so for some reason it's not working. Oh, this is not what I wanted actually. Sheet elevation grabber. 0.2 and 1.0. Okay. Okay, this kind of makes sense now. I was on the wrong. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. This is definitely not working for me. I don't know what's happening, but maybe I'm doing something wrong. Anyway, so this is the settings. Inside the settings, I would like to add something, right? I have here source app. I have some settings. What do I have inside the settings? This is interesting. Okay. Am I doing something wrong here? What? What's wrong? Uh, yeah, something is wrong with this one. Okay, got you. Yeah, so I'll say if platform is Android, then it's a card. Otherwise, it's a form sheet. This is a form sheet, and this should be normal. I'll figure it out. Great. So let's start by adding some things. Settings. Boom, boom, boom. Tabs, settings. Okay, so I definitely need to add constants. Okay, settings, and I will do import these constants. Actually, I'll do view text. I don't have expo constants. Yeah, I do have them. Okay. This is 0 because, yeah, kind of makes sense. Yeah, because we don't have ES build yet. Maybe we have Expo version definitely, and Expo config version. Okay. Yeah, I think this is version, whatever. Style, font size maybe 10, and font style italic. Okay, so we have this one. This one should be style, justified the center, and align the items to the center as well. I do have also the image. Do we have expo image? Nope. Ban expo install expo image. Okay, and this one as well. Image from expo image. And I need to do the light, dark. Where it is? .svg. It's logo. Okay. Okay, this is one row, and then what else do I need to add? I can remove this one. This should be a scroll view. Okay, and if I add here a view, style, height 1000, background color is going to be RGBA 000.21. Why is this not maybe 300. Okay, so if why is this not scrollable? It's like what's happening? I'll just React navigation form sheet not scrollable. Collapsible. Okay. Okay, so content. It's interesting. Because I would like to have it like this, you know. Gap. This is not working anymore. Safe area view. Interesting, guys. This is interesting. This is really interesting. Model. Interesting. Okay. I would like to have this here, you know. Why are you doing this to me? No, it's working. What? Okay. Anyway, so I'll have a view here. This is not working anymore. Okay. I'll have bottom use safe area insets. They'll add here content, container style, padding, horizontal, spacing multiplied by 2, and I'll add the padding bottom. Padding top of, actually it's padding spacing multiplied by 2, padding bottom, it's bottom. Okay. And these should be like this. Okay. Okay. Much better. I'll add a gap of spacing multiplied by 2. This doesn't matter. This is gap spacing multiplied by 2. Okay. All right. I don't know what happened. Android, it's still working. X1 maybe. It's going to fix things. Interesting. Okay. Why is this not so this is not taking into account the header height. Okay, gotcha. I think I need navigation. Yeah, I think I need tag navigation, get header height. Elements, okay, got you. I'll do ban expo install this one. I'll do const height navigation nav height use what do we have here? Use header height. Use header height, and I will say bottom plus header height. Okay. But still though, like, why do we need this? Okay. So we can remove the things now. and we have only the footer, and we can add other things later. Add settings screen. So settings screen. Empty. Footer plus logo plus version. Okay. Okay. I think this model, we definitely need to change it. I think the fob. Why is this? Gotcha. Do we actually need this? We can get the focus. Okay, I'll think about it. But for now, but why we have habit? In case you don't have a description, if there is no description, I would like to position this to the center, otherwise it's flex start. Great. So now if I do a bit with description, this is an awesome desk in case you wonder. Oh no. Okay, and it's like if I'm pressing R, it's everything. It's okay. Okay. I would like to also delete this habit. Delete the habit. Vook. Okay. Long press should have the edit and whatever. Okay. Push notifications. Boom, 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 boom. Edit habit. change the habit. I think we are okay with whatever is happening now on the screen. Yes. Fix alignment. Alignment when we have a description. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, thank you very much for staying with me. I hope, you've enjoyed it. Otherwise, see you in the future video. Most probably, we are going to take a look at this add and edit habit because they are not looking that great, you know. But otherwise, feel free to leave any comments if you are thinking about feature. Otherwise, add and edit habit should be next. And then we are going to take a look at push notifications and reminders. And after that, most probably we are going to take a look at in-app purchases and ES, so we can go through the Expo build system to publish the new app and whatever. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And don't forget about the survey for the state of React Native. In touch. Discover AnimateReactNative.com, your go-to platform for premium, customizable, and ready-to-use React Native animations. There are over 120 different animations that are going to save you time, enhance your app, and, in my opinion, is the perfect collection if you'd like to learn more about React Native animations. Visit Animate.